Our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Jeronima C. Valenciano, respective deans of the different departments of this college, our laboratory high school supervisor, Mrs. Teresita Almoite, other members of the administrative and supervisory staff, faculty members, our dear graduates and their proud parents, other students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I will be introducing our commencement speaker in behalf of our college president, Dr. Richard H. Cordial, who is currently in Caramoan for the burial of his dear father. Much as he would want to be here with us, he regrets the circumstances that prevent him from celebrating this graduation with you. Thus, he has tasked Dr. Valenciano, Mrs. Almoite, and myself with other school officials with the active participation of our faculty and non-teaching personnel to ensure that this graduation will continue to be a celebration of our students' four-year accomplishment. For the past 81 commencement exercises of our beloved school, it has been a tradition to invite from among our alumni individuals who would inspire our graduates because of what they have accomplished after leaving their alma mater. Our speaker for this year's graduation ceremonies is one such person. He came from humble beginnings in Malilipot, Albay, graduated high school from then Camarines Sur National College of Arts and Trades, now Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology way back in 1980, majoring in machine shop technology. After which, he went to the Samsung Institute of Technology and studied air conditioning and refrigeration from 1980 to 1982. While already working at the Philippine Refining Company, now Unilever, he pursued his degree course in BS Marketing at Fiat University in Santa Cruz, Manila, from 1984 to 1987. His work experience is an example of patience and perseverance, which has contributed to his present success. He started as a van and supermarket merchandiser at Unilever from 1982 to 1987 while studying at Fiat University. He then went into sales in his next 3 jobs, including one in Alawai Trading, Saudi Arabia, in September of 1987 up to 1989. He has also become an entrepreneur, putting up his own businesses like Rent-A-Car, a bakery shop, and as a taxi operator from 1991 to 1995. In 1995, he started work at DHL, a global market leader in the logistics industry. He started at DHL Aviation Philippines Incorporated as maintenance supervisor from 1995 to 2000. Next, at DHL Philippines Corporation as Facility and Security Manager from 2000 to 2001, followed by DHL Worldwide Express Philippines Corporation as Facility Manager in 2001 to 2004. Then in 2005 up to the present, he is at the DHL Express Philippines Corporation as Property and Office Administration Manager. As Property and Office Administration Manager, he is responsible for the management of all DHL facilities and service centers and service points nationwide. And throughout his career, he continually attends trainings to improve himself. Our speaker is also a well-traveled man. Aside from Saudi Arabia, he has been to numerous places around the world, like Canada, a number of different states in the US, the state of Bahrain, Ireland, Amsterdam, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, China, and Hong Kong. In his community at Better Living subdivision, an exclusive subdivision in Parañaque City, he actively involves himself as village president and village vice president, as well as chairman of 600 Employee Opinion Action Group